Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials. My name is Alex and today I'm gonna share with you some tips that makes your illustration better in Gravit Designer. This is a requested tutorial and I highly encourage you to join Gravit Designer tutorials group and ask community about certain particular graphic design techniques. Don't struggle on your own, you can learn faster by joining Gravit Designer tutorials group and joining Gravit Designer users group where you can ask more general questions about Gravit Designer. So, and now let's start our tutorial. Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials and today I'm gonna show you how you can open the path in Gravit Designer to create very nice joint. Let me explain what I mean. This tutorial is requested and this is part of the drawing process. The question was how to make this hand appear in front of the body while it's still connected with the body and even crossed with this part of its stroke. So how to do this? Today I will explain you and also I will show you how to better organize your layers on the layers panel. So file organizations plays a big role in this process of drawing these things. So let's start, and first of all I'm gonna draw a perfect heart. Guys, it's very simple to do with the Basic tool. Grab the Basic tool, then hold Alt to create first curve, then hold second curve, and then navigate to the bottom, create a bottom point, grab your subselect tool, select the both points on the sides, and convert it to the mirror, then go and convert it to the symmetric. And once you do this, convert the bottom point to the straight, like so. And when you have a symmetric anchor points, just extend them direction handles to make your path more smooth. So once you have your heart, I don't want to focus on them more. Let's delete this. Let's create a hand so we can model the situation. So grab the pen tool. I'm gonna start here. And I'm gonna go here, and here I will speed up a bit my tutorial, of course, because I want to save your and my time as well. Well, the hand with 4 fingers like Disney, to save your and my time, and it looks crappy, but the point is to make it in front, right? And it should join. So let's add the border here. I'm gonna work with the black border and set it to 6 points. And I also want to create a shared style. So create a new shared style, click new shared style, and then apply the shared style here. And this is how we can maintain the consistency of our illustrations through the shared style and applying the same border, the same feel over and over again through the shared styles. So we need to create a joint here. We need to join the heart, the body and the hand, and still maintaining the hand in front of your main shape. So what we gonna do here, what we can do here, we can first of all, of course, the first that is come to mind is to grab and go to the merge tool, but it doesn't work. Opposed to this, guys, we can open the path in Gravit Designer, and in order to do this, we can select the point where we gonna break the curve, then go to the modify path and break the curve here. Notice this option here, click and check this option, break the curve. It's very important. Once you broke the curve, at this point, sorry guys, let me do this again. Head over the appearance panel and deselect this option, closed, so deselect it. And now you can open the path very simply, you see? And we already have something like in this situation, so you can probably better align them. And voila, we have something like that. But there is a couple of issues here. That is that when we want to rearrange our border, we mess two illustrations, the border from the heart and the border from the hand. Let me show you a couple of ways how you can remedy this segment here. Just go to the borders and then introduce the butt end. So go to the ends here, you see, and instead of this square, select the end butt here, and then align it like so, and delete, make it straight. And now you have more control when you arrange these borders. Second step that you can take is to go to the advanced border options and set the position to inside. So you align the position of your border with the position of your fill. You see, it's now on the one level. But I should admit, it might work for you or not. And let me show you the bulletproof method that you can go with the better layer organization and better object organization here in the Gravit Designer. We need to split these two shapes into the two separate objects. One should hold the fill color and another should hold the stroke color. You see it here. Both stroke and fill. Here as well, on this hand, both stroke and fill. So we have 4 objects altogether. Let me Ctrl Z to undo all of my changes first. So, and this will lead to the better organization. So let's grab the heart shape and create a duplicate with Ctrl-Shift-D, Command-Shift-D. And this duplicate should hold only border, so delete the fill from this duplicate. Then select the original heart and delete the border. So, you see, the border and the fill are two distinct objects. And this is much better. And let's do the same to our hand. Ctrl-Shift-D, Command-Shift-D. Delete the fill from the object in front. Then delete the border from the object in the background. Then select them both. I will recommend you to create 2 layer group. One with the fills and one with the borders. And now we can go through all of these steps. So we simply need, but with only one shape. This hand that holds the borders. You see it here. We need to open the path, break the curve, then deselect the option Closed Path, and then you can have plenty of space to align your artwork and make it as good as you wish. We do the similar task that we have here. Absolutely. So our hand is in front. So the hand is connected with the body. The hand is in front. And we still have this part of the border that extends and covers the joint, right? So, and in the next tutorial, I will show you how you can align 2 paths with the beyond the pixels perfection. So how you can be more precise in Gravit Designer. Give us some bob and don't forget to join Gravit Designer tutorials group. Guys, you don't need to struggle with your illustrations alone. So just share them with the community into the Gravit Designer tutorials group, Gravit Designer user group. And I do all my best to help you. So thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to give a thumb up and enjoy your day.